welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. Rachel here. I hope you're all well. Thank you so much for joining us today and watching this video. We've been giving you some little hints through the week that we've got some exciting news for you. And this today is our exciting news. So what you see in front of you here is a new kit. It's a collaboration kit between ourselves and Nathalie from LineDotArrow. So we've joined together to create a kit. We felt that we wanted to do something to celebrate our friendship and as a thank you to you, our subscribers, for helping us reach our subscription numbers and of course for tuning in and watching our videos. We really appreciate all your support, both on YouTube and in our Facebook groups, LineDotArrow Junk Journal group and the Junk Journal Trading Post. So in our videos today, we are going to both show you one half of the kit. It is a collaboration kit, so one half will be listed on LineDotArrow's Etsy shop and the other half will be listed in RachandBellaCrafts Etsy shop. When you finish watching the video and heard all the exciting details, make sure you go over to Nathalie's channel and there you'll see her video with the other half of this kit. So the kit is called Summer Bloom Celebration. We were both looking for a bit of inspiration for something new to do. Obviously, it's been a bit of a long, cold and drab start to the summer with lockdowns and one thing and another. So I was chatting to Nathalie online the one day and she just happened to say, well, you know, why don't we do a summer kit? Why don't we do something that's, you know, cheery and, you know, it'll get our motivation going again and perhaps inspire us with our other projects as well. So I said, oh, you know, okay, that's a good idea. So we were kind of like chucking a few ideas back and forth, you know, what sort of things do you like? Anyway, we discovered that we both have a love for hydrangea flowers. So that's these lovely little flowers here, for those of you not sure what hydrangea is. And from that, basically, the idea for the kit has grown. So I'm going to show you the pages I have here now, but obviously just remember this is just the one half. The other half you will have to go over to Nathalie's channel, LineDotArrow, to see. So the first page we've got here is a, let me just see if you guys are zoomed in soon enough. There we are. Is that better? A bit nearer. The first page I've got here is a collage page. And again, we just used I brought in some accents of blue into this. And we've got our hydrangeas, we've got our forget-me-nots. There's some images here from our embroidered pages as well. This is one of the journaling pages. So again, we're looking for this kind of summery feel. So we've got, you know, the butterflies and the dragonflies, a little bumblebee in the background, and then all these beautiful summer flowers here. This is to us is what, you know, we think of when we think of summer. So sunflowers, the yellows and the blues, there's our hydrangeas. So this is another journal page. And that's got also elements then in the background as well. Sorry. This one then is slightly different again. So this is to bring in, if you wanted to put a bit of a vintage spin on it, you've got these a darker page here then to add in. And down the one side here, we've got some vintage pages that have just been added in a bit of a zigzag pattern. And then very faintly in the background here is some hydrangea flowers added as a border. This here is another background page, so you could use this as a backing page. We've got a little border here of hydrangeas and then some kind of background stamp in there then. This is a writing page, so you've got a journaling page, two journaling pages actually in this this kit here. And this is the other one there. And we've got some elements of some writing then in the background of that as well, which is lovely. And then the first of the ephemera pages, sorry if I just lift you back a little bit there, because I don't want you to miss anything. There we go. Sorry to be swinging you about. So this is the first of the ephemera pages. These are some journaling cards. And we've tried to incorporate then again the lovely flower images that we had in the kit. And then we've got a selection of pockets. Now these pockets here are, some of them have got backgrounds of the pages in this kit, and some of them have got backgrounds then of the pages that are in the kit on Nathalie's Etsy store. So there's little elements kind of crossing over. You're getting a little bit of both in each one, but obviously together, the whole kit combined, you get the full picture. This is an envelope that has been made using some of the pages, and obviously we've overlaid them with extra images. And here we've done some heart pockets for you, because you know we love our heart pockets. So again, these are incorporating elements of both sections. And these are our lovely envelopes, or you can use them as flip down writing spots. Yeah, we haven't put the lines in. That was my bad. It did involve a little conversation with Natalie over FaceTime, which was quite funny about the lines. But Mum might tell me off because there's no lines. She'll say there's no fold lines on there. I didn't want to put the fold lines on there. I felt it was going to ruin the image. So you can fold these as and where you want to. Some people like to have the fold bit at the bottom. Some people like to have the fold bit at the top. But at least without the dotted black lines running through them, you've got that flexibility. So, crikey, you may not even want to use it as an envelope. You might want to use it as a giant bookmark or as a big tag. You could use them as tags. I hadn't thought of that before. So, you know, you've got a bit of versatility there now, and you don't have those dotted lines running straight through the centre. That's my line, and I am sticking with it. These are some little elements for you to use for embellishing. So we've got some stamps, we've got some just little clip art images there of some vintage pages and backgrounds, and then we've got these lovely vintage pictures here, and then these here which are like giant stamps, and they've got some famous artists little bits of the scenery drawings on there, but everything very summery, we felt. And then here we've got these lovely big tags, again incorporating pages from both sides of the kit. I love that image there. She's very cute, isn't she? And then finally, for this section of the kit, you've also then got these lovely words and phrases. So, and these are all phrases that, you know, to reflect summer. So, you know, you've got choose happiness, you are my sunshine, make every day count. And then you've got then some different names of the flowers then that obviously we've used in the kit as well. Okay, so as I've explained, the kit will be listed in 2 halves. And just to make you aware, although we've posted the kits online at a very special low price, and so that it is the same in both shops, we actually don't have any control over the currency difference and tax changes in each country. So on any given day, you may visit one shop and it be one price, and then visit the other shop and it may be slightly more or less, depending on that day's currency rates. The reason being, LineDotArrow's Etsy page sells in euros, and RachandBellaCrafts page sells in British pounds. So obviously, you know, as I said, we selected the price for it to remain nice and low, so that it's affordable for you to be able to purchase both kits. But if there is a slight difference of, you know, a couple of cents more or a couple of cents less, that's the reason why. And also the different countries, as you will know, some of you have to have tax added on, and some of you don't, but obviously just for you to be aware of that. The whole kit is also currently being worked on by a special collaboration design team that is made up of members of both of our design teams. So they will be sharing their projects with you over the coming days of this month, and their pictures of their work will go onto Facebook groups and on their social media. So it would be awesome for you if you could show them your support. We really appreciate that. You know, giving them some likes and comments, and checking out their YouTube channels, because these girls are working really, really hard. I'll just tell you who they are. So we've got Rebecca from Crafty Junk Journals. She's actually a member of both our design teams. We've got Hilde, who is Creati on Instagram. We've got Joan from the Brown Dragonfly. We've got Nelda from Nelda's Crafts. Then we've got Shawna from Shonna Musin. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Then we've got Shonna from Fraps and Scraps. And then we've got Susan from Making Crafts. So I'm going to put all of their social media details in our description box in this video. So please, if you would go and give a couple of minutes after and just check them out. And obviously subscribe to their channels and click on the bell. And then when they upload their completed projects, then you'll get a notification to say that there's a video on, and you can go and check out them what they've done with it, which would be great. You know, if you're looking for some inspiration, following some of the girls on the design teams is a brilliant way, because they all have these, you know, really diverse ideas. It's fantastic. They're all really excited, and we just can't wait to see what they come up with. So thank you for that, ladies. We really appreciate it. So what else can we do to make this kit launch exciting for you? You, the subscribers, and, you know, our customers. So we had a little think about it, and we thought, a giveaway. That's what we need. We'll do a giveaway. So this month, over both of the Facebook groups, we're going to be running a challenge. The details of the challenge will be included with every copy of the kit that is purchased this month. So this sheet that is in front of me here will be in the digital download when you purchase it from Etsy. You'll also be able to find the details of the challenge on both Facebook groups. So the challenge will finish with a prize draw on both channels. One will give away prizes from a choice of kits from RachandBellaCrafts, and the other will give away prizes from a choice of kits from RachandBellaCrafts. So you have 2 chances to win. Well, you've probably got more than 2 chances to win, because obviously there's three levels of prizes, but you've got 2 opportunities to win. You can complete entries in the LineDotArrow group on Facebook, and then you can go over to the Junk Journal Trading Post Facebook group and post entries there as well. And that way you'll be able to enter both competitions, and you'll have double the chance of winning, won't you? So there'll be a draw on both YouTube channels. To enter the draw, you can earn entries by completing the following. So if you can see my little sheet in front of me, perhaps I'll bring it up really close to you. So if you post a picture to a Facebook group, so one or the other, that counts as 1 entry. If you post a picture to your Instagram account, that will count as 2 entries. If you share in a YouTube video on your YouTube channel, that will count as 3 entries. Now you can repeat this process as many times as you like and post as many different pictures and videos as you like. Each post, so not each picture, each post is worth an extra entry. There will be 2 draws, 2 chances to win. When you post your entries, please use the following hashtags. So if you want it to be considered for LineDotArrow's draw, you need to put hashtag LDA Summer Bloom on everything that you do. So everything that you want us to consider as an entry, you need to use that hashtag so we can search and find it, okay? And then if you want to be entered into RachandBellaCrafts draw on our channel, you need to put the hashtag RBC Summer Bloom. So that's RachandBellaCrafts Summer Bloom, okay? So take note of those 2 hashtags. As I said though, you can enter twice. So you can enter on the one Facebook group, and then you can go over and enter on the other Facebook group. But by obviously using the hashtags, this will ensure that you get entered into both draws. The challenge will be running from the 1st of August to the 31st of August. And the winners will be announced via a YouTube video by the 5th of September. I'm not going to give you an exact date because none of us know where we're going to be at the end of the month or what we're going to be doing. So by the 5th of September, you will know if you've won. So first prize will be 3 kits of your choice. Second prize will be 2 kits of your choice. And third prize will be 1 kit of your choice. So I hope that you're going to get on board. I hope you're going to go and check out the kits. Don't forget, once you finish watching this video, and after you leave me a like and a comment, I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Go to my description box then, and there'll be a link there then to the same video that's over then on Nathalie's channel. And if you zip over there, then you'll be able to see the second half of the kit. We do hope that you like it. We would like your feedback, because yeah, we've really enjoyed doing this, and it's just been a lot of fun. So I hope you're all going to have loads of fun having a go with it, and we can't wait to see what you make. So thanks for joining us today. Take care. We'll be back with you very soon. Bye now.